Greetings students. Today we are going to learn about one of Korea's leading electric company, Korea Electric Power Corporation. Let us know this company in a much better way. Korea Electric Power Corporation, better known as KEPCO, is the largest electric utility in South Korea, responsible for the generation, transmission and distribution of electricity and the development of electric power projects including those in nuclear power, wind power and coal. KEPCO is responsible for 93% of Korea's electricity generation. The South Korea government owns a 51% share of KEPCO. Together with its affiliates and subsidiaries, KEPCO has an installed capacity of 65,383 MW. On the 2011 Fortune Global 500 ranking of the world's largest companies, KEPCO was ranked 271. KEPCO is a member of the World Energy Council, the World Nuclear Association, and the World Association of Nuclear Operation as of August 2011. KEPCO possesses an A+ credit rating with Fitch Ratings, while Moody's has assigned KEPCO and A1 stable ratings. Currently located in Samseong-dong, Seoul, KEPCO headquarters is scheduled to relocate to the city of Nasu in South Jeolla province in August 2014 as part of a government decentralization program. The move, which has been in the works for years, has been controversial. Hwang Ik Cho is president and CEO of KEPCO.
When everyone said it was impossible, we did it. The odds of winning were only 5%, but we saw victory. Overcoming impossible barriers, challenging our limits, beyond Korea, and emerging as a global utility, KEPCO. KEPCO's practices are becoming global standards, and we are once again preparing to reach new heights. In 1887, the first electric lamp lit up in Korea. Decades later, North Korea, where the majority of power facilities were located, abruptly cut off electricity to the south. And then came the tragedy of the Korean War. But KEPCO continued to maintain light in this country.
Now, KEPCO will take wider strides with global excellence, customer respect, performance-driven, challenge and innovation, and social responsibility as the 5 core values of the KEPCO way, and achieve its vision of becoming a global top 5 energy and engineering company by 2020. With the can-do spirit and endless passion, we are vigorously walking the path to become a great company.
Power supplied by KEPCO can be seen beyond Korea and is lighting up everywhere around the world. KEPCO and its 6 power generation companies and 4 group companies are conducting a wide range of global businesses, all under one KEPCO brand.
KEPCO traces its origins to Hangseong Jeongi Hose, a Seoul electric company founded in 1898 during the Joseon dynasty. The announcement of the Chosun Electricity Control Decree by the colonial Korean government in March 1943 saw the integration of several electric companies into the Korea Electric Power Company. The Korea Electric Company KECO established through the integration of the Korea Electric Power Company and 2 distribution companies. Gyeongsund Electric Company and South Korea Electric Company opened on July 1, 1961. In 1982, KECO became a wholly government-owned entity and was renamed the Korea Electric Power Corporation KEPCO. KEPCO was listed on the Korea Composite Stock Price Index KOSPI on August 10, 1989 and later in 1994 on the New York Stock Exchange. In 1996, KEPCO was named the prime contractor for the multinational Korean Peninsula Energy Development Organization (KEDO) project to construct a light water reactor nuclear power plant in North Korea, a project which was eventually abandoned in 2006. Following a push by the Korean government to restructure Korea's power industry, which began in the mid-1990s, the Act on the Promotion of Restructuring the Electric Power Industry was proclaimed on December 23, 2000, after which the electricity generation business was split up into Korea Hydro and Nuclear Power, a subsidiary responsible for nuclear and hydropower generation, and 5 thermal power generation companies: Korea South East Power, Korea Midland Power, Korea Western Power, Korea Southern Power, and Korea East West Power. KEPCO comprises 6 power generation comprises and 4 subsidiaries in related business areas. It also owns a stake in 4 affiliated companies. In October 2012, Korea Deposit Insurance Corporation sold its 3.6% of its stake in KEPCO for a fee of around $550 million. In Korea, KEPCO primarily provides electricity to include industrial, commercial, residential, educational, and agricultural customers. As of December 31, 2011, KEPCO had a total installed generating capacity of 67,001 MW produced by 503 generation units, including nuclear, oil, coal, liquefied natural gas, hydro, wind, and solar sources. The length of KEPCO's transmission line stood at 31,249 circuit kilometers as of end 2011. KEPCO's involvement in the nuclear energy sector ranges from design and engineering of the nuclear power plant to nuclear fuel, commissioning and operation, maintenance and decommissioning. Construction of KEPCO nuclear power plants is undertaken by major Korean construction companies, while the manufacture of key elements of a nuclear power plant is done by companies including Doosan Heavy Industries and Construction and Westinghouse Electric Company. In 2009, KEPCO won a bid to construct 4 units of the APR 1400 reactors in the United Arab Emirates. KEPCO's overseas foray started in 1993 when the company was awarded a technical consulting contract for maintenance on the Guangdong nuclear power plant in China. At present, KEPCO is involved in projects in 13 countries around the world. In 1996, KEPCO entered the Philippines power market when it was awarded the contract for the refurbishment and operation of the Malaya thermal power plant. In 1996, KEPCO won the bid to construct the Ilizan gas-fired combined cycle power plant, a 1,200 megawatt build-operate transfer project. Today, KEPCO operates 4 power plants in the Philippines, including the Naga Power Plant Complex and the Cebu Circulating Fluidized Bed Combustion Power Plant, while the company's operation accounts for 12% of the country's installed generation capacity. In April 2012, KEPCO contracted ICPO to raise $400 to buy into boutique coal in Australia to benefit from cheap coal briquettes, which improve burn efficiency by up to 30%, reduce SOx and NOx by 80%, and reduce CO2. KEPCO scientists tried to get IP details and reverse engineer the product for their own use. BC cancelled our association with KEPCO due to an attempt to circumvent and declare KEPCO less than reputable. So students, we went through the company's history to its present market scenario. Hope you must have got useful information about the company. Have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.